Show Daddy your snowboard. Pop it on the floor.
This is my snowboard. This is nice.
Hmm?
This is nice.
Look at Daddy. Take your photo.
Wave. What are you doing?
Waving.
What else are you doing?
What are you standing on?
I don't want that snowboard. I don't want that snowboard.
No. What snowboard do you want then?
I want the other one. I want the other one.
Where's the other one?
I want the other snowboard.
Where is it? Nice hood though.
I want.
Goggle strap.
I think I want the other one.
What other one?
The other one.
I don't know what your other snowboard is, Button. If I knew I could help you.
My own snowboard.
What does it look like?
It looks like a circle.
Turn round.
Looks like a circle.
Look at me. Nee.
How many do you use it for you?
I don't want to go snowing.
You do want to go snowboarding.
I don't want to go snowboarding.
Snowboarding with Daddy?